are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great today. So for today's video, we're gonna be making some fish. As you can see, we're gonna be making some baked fish. My fish is already been washed and cut up, but first I do my seasoning in order to season my fish. So we're gonna go ahead and do that first before we can season our fish. This is garlic and bell pepper. Go ahead and put that in there. I'll blend that garlic and bell pepper. Some paprika. Maggi cube. Oops. Alright, that is that. I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up. I'm gonna be using peanut butter to bake my fish. If you're allergic to peanut butter or you don't like peanut butter, this is your season that you're gonna use. So all you have to do, put a little bit of vegetable oil in there and go ahead and marinate your fish. But since I'm gonna be using peanut butter, at this point I'm gonna go ahead and put my peanut butter in there, and then just go ahead and stir this up. This is it. So this is perfect. Just give it a little bit of taste. Make sure your seasoning is good. Alright, we're gonna put this aside. Be using a fish of your choice, any fish that you like. For me, I love this fish, that's what I'm using it to bake. That we made, see? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in there. And put your hands in there and then just marinate it really good. Alright, we're gonna get our baking pan and put that in there. Alright everyone, at this point I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit of vegetable oil. Just a little bit of vegetable oil. And stir that up with it. And just kind of, alright, I got my vegetable oil. Alright, I'm not gonna put this in the oven right at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up and let it sit out, and put it in the fridge and let it stay in the fridge for like 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes before my seasoning to go right. I want it to go through it really good. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cover it up and put it in the fridge. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead, since our fish is in the fridge, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my rice and put it on. Alright everyone, I like to put a little bit of vegetable oil in my rice, only because I don't like my rice to stick together. Got the fish out of the fridge. I'm gonna just go ahead and put that in there and just let it bake on 350. Alright everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and make my sauce. So I just put a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm gonna be using bell pepper and onion. Just cover this up and let it fry. Alright guys. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna season for my fish, the remaining of it. Alright everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and put my water. Put my Maggi cube in there. That's my seasoning. Alright everyone, this is for my salad. I'm gonna go ahead and wash them up so I can cut them up and get ready to prepare my salad. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my pepper and my onion. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead stir that up. And of course, pour a little bit of vegetable oil. Put your vegetable oil, stir it up. Go ahead and get my avocado, cut it up. After you're done, stir it up. There we go. Look how beautiful this is. As always, we're gonna go ahead and taste it. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Okay, let's see. Some onion and some pepper. Doing it. Okay. That's that. All right, our pepper sauce is ready. Look at this. Our fish is ready. All right, everyone, this is our finished touch. If you make it this far, I just want to say thank you for hanging out with me in the kitchen today. I do appreciate you. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for hanging out with me. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye. So this is our salad, this is our fish, and our rice, of course, and this is our sauce that we made from earlier right there. That's our sauce. So we're gonna go ahead, let me just go ahead and try it. They look so good and it tastes good. See, look at that.